I'm going to show you a step-by-step strategy of how to make 10K a month selling products on Amazon with minimal upfront investment. This, guys, is going to be your best strategy to start your business from scratch in these uncertain times, or even change your business model if your current business model is no longer working. But before we start, guys, let's get some housekeeping done. Give this video a thumbs up so we can help that YouTube algorithm. Make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell button so you guys can get notified as soon as I upload a video. Hold on. I'll just wait a moment until you guys do it, yeah? Done? Cool. Now that that's out of the way, let's get started. Hands down, my most favorite way of making a killing at the moment is the method I'm about to show you. So essentially, this is how it works. We're going to identify a product that's really high in demand. We're going to put it on Amazon. When we sell on Amazon, we're going to go ahead and buy that product from an American supplier and then ship it over to the customer that bought from us. You don't have to stock those items. You don't need to pay for them up front. So essentially, we're going to do Amazon drop shipping. We're not going to do it from China because of what's happening right now, as you can imagine. For this strategy to work, we're going to need to fulfill a few criteria. We're going to need to focus on merchants fulfilled, not FBA. And here is why. If you've been keeping yourself up to date with what's happening right now and with Amazon's news, you will have heard that due to what's happening right now, A, they're prioritizing essential items over non-essential items, and B, they're giving a push to fulfilled by merchant products, which means that selling FBA products is no longer at an advantage. And that's where we come in. It's insane what's happening to FBA products. A lot of them are actually currently unavailable, and if they are available, you can expect to get them within a month, which is no good for most people. So the first step, we need to know which categories are doing well when people are staying at home. I've done some research and I've actually noticed that a lot of big online retailers are helping their sellers by telling them exactly what sells. And they are vaguely groceries, obviously, exercise products, kids, toys, family games, and that kind of stuff. Once we've picked a category, we need to figure out which products are doing really well in that category. We need to find high products that we can actually drop ship from somewhere to Amazon. And that's what I'm about to show you. We need to make sure that these products don't have many sellers on Amazon so we can actually compete. And most importantly, we need to make sure that we can actually find these products from a reputable American supplier at a good price. Now I'm going to show you how to do this manually so that we can get the basics covered. But if you stick around till the end, I'm going to show you a semi-automatic way of doing it with the help of a software. So to identify high demand products within the category that I chose, I'm going to use the web app of AMZScout. By the way, they're doing an exclusive bundle, which I'm going to talk about in a bit. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to choose a category. I went for the toys and games category. I'm going to hit apply. I'm going to drop ship items from Walmart. The reason why I chose Walmart is because they have a vast array of products that you can choose from. Not only that, but they're always doing clearance and rollbacks on a lot of their items. So how did I come up with this brand name KidCraft? I simply went to the Walmart website and I checked out their toys section, and the first thing that I saw was KidCraft. So I thought, let me plug in this KidCraft keyword on AMZScout web app and see what it returns. Now the trick is we need to find a high selling product in this brand that is already selling on Amazon, because to create a listing on Amazon is quite lengthy and time consuming, and usually it is not ranked. You have to rank it yourself. But if it already exists, we can jump on that listing. The other trick is we need to make sure that there aren't a lot of sellers selling that same product so that we can compete and have more of a chance of selling. We need to make sure that there is enough stock in Walmart so that we don't end up selling the products on Amazon and then when we go to buy it on Walmart, we don't find it in stock. And crucially, you need to make sure you leave yourself with enough profit margin so that the whole thing is worth it for you. And here is how we calculate the profit margin. We need to take into consideration the cost of the item from Walmart, plus any shipping, plus 15% for Amazon fees. Subtract that from how much you've sold the products on Amazon, and that's how you get your profit margin. So like I said, I put KidCraft here and I put the price $20 because I don't want to sell anything lower than that. It's just not going to be worth it. And I put the price at $200 max because I don't want to run into any cash flow issues in the future. Reviews, I'm not too bothered about that. Let's check more filters. Number of sellers from 1 to 5 because I don't want too many sellers on that same product. You can have up to 10 if you want, so that's still okay, especially if the item is a fast seller. The rank I put from 1 to 100,000. Seller type I put merchant fulfilled instead of FBA or Amazon. You can play around with it and see what works for you. First available, I don't really care about that. Net, Don't care about that. You're normally interested in net profit if you're doing private labeling FBA products or stuff like that. Same thing with reviews. Market USA, so they have USA, United Kingdom, Canada, and so on and so forth. I'm going to rank them by sales rank. So this one has a good sales rank, 26k. Kidcraft Little Symphony. Let's click on it. It's selling at 38.97. It's got good reviews. Let's see how many people are selling it. Only 3. And this guy is pushing it from 38 to 51, so we can actually compete. We're gonna need to go to Walmart and see how much it's selling for. Brilliant. This exact product is selling at $19.99 from $24.99. We can sell it at a minimum of $38.97 if we price match with the seller here. Now, to calculate if this product is profitable or not, this is what we're gonna do. Assuming we're gonna price at $38.97, this is worst case scenario. We're gonna time it by 0.85. Why? Because we're gonna take away 15% that Amazon takes, and that leaves us with $33.12. This $33.12 figure is what's going to hit our bank account after Amazon sends us the money, because they're going to keep 15%. So we're going to subtract $19.99. That leaves us with $13.13 profit. That's really good. That's based on worst case scenario, guys. Just a side note, guys, you need to download this Price Blink Chrome extension. It's so good. So whenever you're browsing shopping websites, it always in the background processes the cheapest price anywhere on the internet. And guys, this strategy is rinse and repeat. Find the profitable products, move on. Find the next, then move on. Now I'm gonna show you another one using a different tool and starting from a different place, so to speak. We're gonna start on Amazon and we're gonna type that same brand name, Kidcraft. I'm gonna add garden because I've seen a lot of demand on garden products. So Kidcraft Garden. And I'm gonna use AMZScout Pro extension to help me analyze these results. You can't see it right now, but I'm gonna click on it up here and then it's gonna start doing its work. I love this extension. It comes up with all these analytics. It really does give you a lot of insights, you know. Now this extension is a minefield. It's so amazing when it comes to research. It gives you product history. Look at that. It gives you the pictures here, profit calculator. You can add it to Tracker, so you can add products if you want to track them. You can get keywords if you want to. You can find products on Alibaba. You can find in Google. So many things you can do. So essentially what you need to do here is rank all the products by BSR so that you can see all the products that sell really well first, and then click on each one, see how many sellers they have so that you can compete, and then go to Walmart and see if they have it at a cheaper price and calculate your profit margin and see if you can actually make a profit by selling that product. Now I must warn you, you will not find your profitable product straight away. You have to go through the list. So for the sake of saving some time, I've gone through all of these listings and I got to here, and surprise, this product here on the surface, it doesn't actually look like it has a BSR, but when I clicked on it, it has sold before and it's got a review, a 5-star review. When has it sold? April the 13th, literally a week ago. And let's see how much it is. $339. I actually found it on Walmart for $135. Now let's calculate how much our profit margin will be. 339 times 0.85, so we take away the 15%, that leaves us with 288, right? We subtract 135, which is the product price on Walmart, and that leaves us with 153 profit, guys. That's like 120% profit. Now the beauty is, guys, you don't have to stock this item anywhere. You can list it on Amazon. As soon as it sells, you go and buy it from Walmart, then you send it to the Amazon customer. Done. And with the help of AMZScout web app and Chrome extension, you guys can find some sick deals. I've only shown you like 5% of what this beast can do, guys. Seriously, it's got so much functionality. I've actually done a full tutorial on it, so if you haven't seen it, really important, make sure you check it out. I'm gonna leave it up here for you. The next bit that I wanted to show you is this keyword tracker that they have. So amazing. Basically, you add a product, you add the ASIN on Amazon.com or whichever Amazon marketplace, and then you choose how often you want the app to track the ASIN for you. I'm gonna choose 1 hour, and then you put the ASIN, and then it comes up with the listing automatically. We go to next, and then it comes up with these keywords. Let's say we want to track these keywords here, and then it starts syncing everything, all the keywords in there. This is a powerhouse, man. This keyword tracker app is absolutely amazing. It does reverse ASIN lookup. What does that mean? So you put an ASIN, which is the ID of the product that you want to investigate, and then it shows you the keywords that are bringing the sales to that product. Amazing. Not only that, you can actually track the performance of those keywords for that product. Let me demonstrate. So for example, yesterday I wanted to track this product. This is the ASIN and this is the description of the product. And then it has all these keywords bringing traffic to this listing. On this keyword here, exercise bands, the rank went down to 5 and it's still on page 1, on position 5, and it has over 6,000 competitors. So let's say you're doing keyword research. You don't have to guess which keywords might work or might not work. You're going to go to the bestseller in your niche and you're going to put the ASIN of that bestseller in this app, and it's going to find out which keywords are bringing the sales to that product. You don't need any other keyword research tool, let's be honest. And if you're looking to start your FBA private labeling business or take your FBA business to the next level, these are hands down the only tools that you need. So like I said guys, if you really are interested in making over 10k a month working from home, this is your chance. Take it guys. No more waiting, the time is now. So like I promised, I'm going to show you the bundle that AMZScout are doing at the moment. So to help you build a 10k a month business working from home, they're looking to help you in many ways. Firstly, they'd provide you with a course showing you how the experts do it step by step. You'll get the best tools in the market to do that. You'll learn how to find a profitable product. You'll find and validate profitable product ideas. What they'll also do, which is really surprising, I don't think anybody is doing it in the market, you'll get guaranteed niches and products with extremely high potential delivered to you every week. Wow, great. You'll get guidance on sourcing your products and opening an Amazon account. So basically they'll show you everything in the course. How to find the best keywords for your listing and PPC campaign, and essentially stay ahead of the market. They go over in detail what they're offering in the bundle here in their sales page. If you want to check it out properly, check out the link. I'm going to leave it for you below. Look guys, personally I think it's really worth it, especially with what you get. Now a lot of people might be concerned to do Amazon dropshipping, which is fair enough. You might say, well Adnan, what if the price changes on Walmart? A, how do I know it has changed? B, how do I keep monitoring all these products to make sure that I'm always profitable? This is a valid question, right? Well, there's a software for that. It's absolutely mind-boggling. I'm going to show it to you. It's a management and repricing tool. It links all the products that you're selling on Amazon with where you're going to source them on Walmart and hundreds of other suppliers, not only in the US, but also in the UK and Germany and so on. I highly recommend you guys check it out. I'm going to leave a link down below. It's going to give you 8 days free trial. Check out their training. They provide free training so you know how it all works. I've only shown you one idea, so doing drop shipping from Walmart to Amazon, but you can actually do it through so many other websites. And the more obscure your supplier, the better it is for you because you're going to be more competitive. The other thing is guys, make sure you get tax exempt, which means that you will not be paying tax and your price from the supplier will be cheaper, which will increase your profit margin. Try and get some cash back. You can use Be Frugal. It's a fantastic website. The other thing you can actually do to increase your profit margin is getting a cashback credit card that is also 0% interest. Anyway, I hope I've given you some value in this video, and I hope you can do something with this value and just get started. If you have any questions whatsoever, drop them in the comments below. I'm gonna ask again, if you've enjoyed this content, make sure you like the video, subscribe, and hit that notification bell button so you guys can get notified as soon as I upload a video. I look forward to seeing you succeed. Peace!